Hello gorgeous, my name is Jen. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, I'm going to show you the items that I purchased from the new summer collection of Chanel. If you're interested in knowing what they are, keep on watching. Chanel came out with two quads. I picked up this one, which has the golden colors. They are beautiful. This one is the Lumière et Vibration. I want to see if you can see it up close. It's very pretty, and I am very drawn to browns and goldens, so I knew I was gonna get this one right away. These are the way they look swatched in the hand. They are very soft, and hopefully they're as easy to blend as they seem. So let's make a look. And I picked up one pencil, which is the golden one, and I think it's gonna be beautiful. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it with the light, but I will be wearing it in a few minutes and showing you a demo. For the crease, I'm gonna use this one right here. It's very soft and very easy to blend. For the center, I'm going to go with the golden one, and I want to see if the brush is any different than applying it with the finger. So you can't see it because of the brush, but let's see. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, so this is a very soft application. Then I'm gonna go ahead, this is great for day to day, but I'm gonna go ahead with the finger and see if it has more impact. So let's see how it looks with the finger. Just as I expected, it definitely has more kick when applied with the finger. So that would be the way to go with the golden one, for sure. You see? It's so beautiful. With this pointed brush, I'm going into the darkest one, and I'm going to apply it in the lower lash. It's very pigmented, and it doesn't have any fallout. And I'm gonna go ahead and small tapping motions, blend right at the end. And with the lightest color, I'm going to go in the inner corner of my eye. To give it a little pop. Okay, so I don't see that much pigment on the lightest one, so I probably wouldn't use it again for the inner corner of my eye because it disappears a little bit. But I could definitely use it underneath my brow. So far, all these colors are beautiful, but this one here, I don't see a lot of pigment. Hold on, let me see. This one. It's not very pigmented. It looked great in the back of my hand, but it's not what I was expecting on the eye. So as you can see, you can create a very nice summer look with it. I wish I had my Natasha Denona to give you a comparison on the swatches, but I don't at the moment. I'll probably do that on a later date. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye and do mascara, and I'll be right back. For the waterline, I'm going to be using this golden color. And this is the final look. I think the quad is beautiful, except for the lightest color. I'm not going to lie, I didn't like that one. It looked beautiful in the back of my hand, but it was not pigmented at all, at least not in my skin. Hopefully, if you get this quad, you have a different result with that specific color. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, I would appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And if you like, you can subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. In this video, this one is called Luminaire Luminaire et Vibration.